Alright, so after 24 hours or after overnight of chilling, ito na yung aking mango graham. Oh, ang tigas nga. Ayan o. Ayan o. So, hindi na ako makapagantay. Titikman natin. Titikman namin pala. Natin kasi hindi naman kayo kakain. Ayan. Oh, hindi antay. It's not even. This one is big, this one is small. This side. Ah, hold on. Like this. If I cut it like that style. Yan. It's okay, it's like that. It's right there. Masarap na natin ano? Mango graham. Sarap na natin mango graham. Tingnan mo. Oh, so creamy. Ah?
It is delicious.
Matakaw ko sa pagkain. Mas matakaw yan siya. Masarap.
Ang sarap.
Basta uso ngayon yung mangga. Gawa na kayo. Ang sarap. Alright. That's it for today.